Welcome to the first episode of Tech Explained. In this episode, we are gonna learn what is RAM and how does it work. So let's get started. RAM is basically like this graphically. RAM or random access memory is the place in your computer for temporary storage of your files and applications. You might be wondering what is the need of RAM because it's for temporary storage of my files. So let's get to know why is it useful. The need of RAM arises because the hard disk speed cannot keep up with the CPU speed. RAM has a higher merge frequency than a hard disk. Might be another question in your mind. How does this RAM work? Let's take an example. When you click on an icon on your computer, such as your browser, your computer finds the program on your hard drive and loads into RAM for you to use. But wait, one thing to note important. A file open in your RAM is never safe. Once you power off your computer, all RAM data is lost. If you ever were working on a project and forgot to save, all your data will be lost. This is cause you're working on RAM. RAM is sometimes often referred as memory. Why is it important for our computer? What is the difference it makes? RAM is critical for the speed and usability of a system, especially when we have much slower hard disk. Increase in RAM really increases your PC speed. But there might be another question in your mind. How much RAM do I need? Eight GB RAM is plenty, but if you are planning for gaming or video editing, you may want to push to 16 GB. This was the video, guys. I worked very hard for this. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech.
Feels